Michael and Eddie are walking in the park. Eddie says, "Wow, look at the bricks, Michael. They're varied and so colorful." Michael replies, "Yeah, they remind me of an article I read on matter." Eddie says, "What did the article say?" Michael says, "The article, in brief, states that all matter consists of very small particles called atoms." Eddie asks, "Then what is the atom composed of?" Michael answers, "An atom is made up of smaller particles called subatomic particles. There are 3 types of subatomic particles, namely proton, neutron, and electron." Eddie asks, "So how are the subatomic particles arranged inside an atom?" Michael answers, "Protons and neutrons form the nucleus at the center, surrounded by the electrons that move around in orbits." Eddie asks again, "Are the 3 subatomic particles different?" Michael says, "Of course. Proton is a positively charged particle. Electron is a negatively charged particle. Neutrons have no electric charge." Eddie asks, "I've encountered these terms which I find confusing. Molecules, elements, and compounds. What are these actually?" Michael says, "A molecule is a group of 2 or more atoms that are chemically combined. For example, a carbon dioxide molecule is made up of 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms. Carbon and oxygen are 2 different elements. An element is a pure substance which cannot be broken down into simpler substances. A compound is a substance made up of 2 or more elements chemically combined. So carbon dioxide is also a compound." Eddie asks, "Combined chemically? Sounds difficult. So how do we separate the components of a compound?" Michael says, "The components of a compound can only be separated chemically, for example, by electrolysis." Eddie says, "I see.